In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Slack account, which works the same as deleting it since it removes your access from all workspaces. Start by opening your browser and heading to slack.com. Slack in using your email, Google or Apple account. Once logged in, choose the workspace where you want to deactivate your account. Remember, Slack is workspace based, so you'll need to do this for each one you belong to. Now, look at the bottom left and click your profile picture. From the menu, select Profile, then hit the three-dot icon near View As and choose Account Settings. Scroll down until you see Deactivate Account. Click it, confirm when prompted, and enter your password to finalize. Once done, your account will be deactivated for that workspace. And that's it. Your Slack account is now gone from that workspace. If you're in multiple workspaces, just repeat the process. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.